Hello, everyone, and welcome to Cocktail Kitchen with me, your host, Chris Correa. Today, we're going to be making a drink I call the Strawberry Scorcher. You're going to take 1 quartered strawberry, 1/2 a slice of blood orange or regular orange, doesn't matter, 1/2 an ounce of lime juice, and 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Then pour in 1.5 ounces of your favorite bourbon, long pour for dramatic effect. Kill that bottle because we're classy people. Use your muddler to muddle all the fruits together with the bourbon and the simple syrup and lime juice. Then completely fill up your cocktail shaker with ice. Set it down, give it a firm tap on the bottom, and go ahead and shake. Remember guys, shaking is doing 2 important things, diluting a little bit of water into your cocktail as well as bringing it all down in temperature. And then once your hands are in complete agony from the freezing cold shaker, go ahead and give it a firm tap on the side to try to free up the top, and then fuck up one time, that's okay. Fill another glass up with ice, and then strain the contents of the cocktail shaker into the fresh glass. There should be about 1.5 inches left at the top for some soda water topping. And then you're going to use the back of your bar spoon to slide some grenadine down the side of the glass to create a nice gradient. Chop a bit of orange peel and, in an attempt to create some pyrotechnics, pinch really hard in front of a lighter, but it's not going to work, so just roll up the peel and put it in as a nice little garnish, and then mix it up with a straw. And the only thing left to do now is enjoy. And there we are, ladies and gentlemen, the Strawberry Scorcher. It's a really nice looking drink. It embodies summer in all ways. The lime juice, the blood orange, the citrus, the acidity, the bitterness, the sweetness from the strawberries, the spice from the bourbon. It's a really good one. Make this one at home. Let me know how you do. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great one.